Okay, so grouping. Now, grouping specifically works with common factors. So when we say grouping, it's usually your last step with factorization. Now, grouping is what can I group up so that I can take out something common. An example being, if I have 4m minus 4n plus am, and then it's minus am. What can I see? I can see that I can group these two and those two. What can I take out commonly in the first? I can take out 4. I am left with m minus n. Plus, what can I take out commonly there? A. I will be left with m minus n. Now, I ask myself, what can I take out commonly now? I can take out this entire bracket, which is m minus n. So, if I take out m minus n, what will I have left? Everything that's outside the bracket, which is 4 plus. Okay, another example. Let's say okay. Let's say I have m square minus n square plus bm minus b. Okay. Now there's a reason why I say we follow steps. So what was my first step? It's common factor. My second step is difference of squares. Then third one is trinomial. Now your fourth one is grouping. So I can see here this first part. What can I do? I can say it's the difference of squares. So it will be m minus n and m plus n. Now this second part, what can I do there? I can take out a common factor of b. So I take out b. I am left with m minus n. Okay. Is there something in the two terms that I can take out common? I can take out m minus n. So I take out m minus n. What will I have left in my other bracket? I will have m plus n and plus. And that is grouping. Okay. The next one we're going to be doing, the next examples that we will be working with is cubes. So I already give you the standard formula here by saying if I have a minus b cubed, I will expand it into a plus b and a squared plus ab plus b squared. So this is the standard formula we will be applying soon. And then if I have a plus b cubed, it will be a plus b and a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now, an easy way that I used to remember it, if it goes bad in life, so if it's negative, it will always first go bad before it goes better. So it will always be negative before it's positive. If it goes good in life, it will go good. Then it will go bad, but it will improve again. So it's always, for negative, it's negative before positive. For positive, it goes good, goes through a dip, it will go better. Okay. Now, if I have to do a few examples of these. So let's say I have got 8a cubed plus 27. Okay, what's actually standing here? If I have to break these up into their cubes, it is 2 to the power of 3, a to the power of 3, plus 3 to the power of. This entire part, if I use my standard formula, will be seen as a. This entire part will be seen as. So if I expand it, I will just be going on or continuing over here. So if I expand it in my first bracket, so if you can do your first bracket, the rest are a lot easier. So I know it's positive, so I will be using the positive formula. So I have the standard formula will be a plus b, and I will have a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay. So if I substitute my values now, in my first bracket it will be 2a plus, what's my b value? It's going to be 3. My second bracket, I have to square everything in a. So what does that mean? That means this entire part I must square. So what is 2 squared? 4. So I've got 4, and a squared will just be a squared minus, now in this part it gets interesting. So I basically have to say my a value multiplied by my b value. So this will mean here will be 2a times 3 plus, what will be my b value? It is 3. So 3 squared gives me 9. So if I simplify this further, or I have factorized it further, I will have 4a squared minus 6a plus 9. Great. Let's do another one. Let's go for this one. Let's change the color to yellow. Let's say I've got 27a cubed. The first one was positive, so let's do a negative, minus 1. In reality, what's standing there? 27 is the same as saying 3 cubed. A cubed minus 1 cubed. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So that's what's standing there. Which formula will I be using? I will be using my negative formula. So I'll be substituting in there. Now in this case, I'm not going to do the substitution. I'm directly going to go, or substitute directly. I'm not going to rewrite the formula. Now, this means in my brackets I will have 3a minus 1. Why? Because if it's negative, it will always go bad before it gets better. Then at the end of the day, in my next bracket, I will have 3 squared. What will be 3 squared? 9. 9a squared plus 3a times 1, which is 3a, plus 1 squared is 1. And this is if we have to factorize. Okay. Now,